Let's learn how to create a post on Instagram. For that, let's go to our Instagram app and our professional account. At the bottom in center, you will see this plus button. Click on the plus button, and in the bottom you'll see option of post, story, reel, live. So for now we are creating a post. Keep this post as selected one. Here I am taking one image. Let's say I'm taking this one, and click on next. You can also select multiple by using this option if you want to add multiple pictures, which here you can add 10 of them. So you can select multiple picture, which is known as a carousel post. So here we are taking single picture post. So I deselected this option, and I'm just selecting this image and click on next. You can change these effects. If you want to add some effects to this image, you can see some of them. Or if you want to edit some brightness, contrast, you can explore these. And if you want to add some music to it, you can even go on the top, see this music icon and add. And here there are some by default options to adjust your image to increase or to add this effect. For now, we are just using the normal natural image because this image is already nice. Click on next. And you'll get this option of remix for photos. You can just select OK. Anybody who is inspired by a post can create a remix. Next is you can add a caption. Let's say I'm going to add some caption here. So I've written this, get ready to get the star feeling because finally doors open tomorrow. So we are just creating a launch post here, and you can choose a hashtag, and you'll see there will be a list of hashtag. So I've selected this star feeling finally because this is this. And now you can add more hashtags. Let's say put a hash. Let's say I write cafe. You'll get the list. Just select, tap and select space, next hashtag. Let's say I'm writing coffee. You can add more hashtag daily. And so you can add. So up to 30 hashtags you can add. Advisable is, let's say, at least you add 15 or 20 of them. And definitely which is matching your post. You have to add hashtags which really reflects your post, not something else. So click on OK. And you can tag people if you want to add more people. You can add people, let's say at the rate, and add people or tag people. You can invite collaborators. It could be that the post goes with 2 accounts, so you can invite collaborators. You can add a location here. So I'm going to add Delhi as location. Or if you want to add your own location, if cafe location or your business has a location, you can even find out that location. If you want to add music, you can. So for now, we are not boosting, we are simply adding, and we'll learn how to boost in our next video. So here you see we have added our post, image, caption, tag people thing we have learned, and we have added our location. The next thing which you have to do is click on share. If you also want to put this post on your Facebook page, you need to turn on this Facebook and you need to claim your page which you have created. So you'll post at one place, and both the places the post will go even on your Facebook page and your Instagram account. So for now, click on share, and you'll see this posting on Star Cafe Delhi, posting on your account, and it's done. If you see, you can see the preview, which is our image, our caption, and our hashtags, and our location. And I'm going to tap my account and see that, okay, there is a post which is already being done. So that's how you can create a post. This is one type of post which is image format. Let me tell you how to create another post. Click on. So I go on tap. Either here you can go, or from the top you can click on this plus button. Click on post. And you will find this option of creating post with multiple images. Let's do multiple images thing. I select 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here, and click on next. And next, you can add your caption here, and you can add your more hashtags here which we have learned, and you click on share. Now you'll see we are creating another post which is carousel type post. See this. Can you see this carousel post? So if you go, now we have done 2 posts. One, this is my second post with carousel, multiple images which you can add up to 10. That's how you can create these type of posts. And then you can add a video as well, which is going to go in your reels or which will go into your IGTV video. For now, you see these two sections. Another good option, whatever you have posted on your account, you can simply click on this arrow and even add this to your story. So as more and more people see stories, so even your post can be found out on stories and people can tap and come to your account and see your post. Click and your story done. So if you see, I've also added the same post on my story as well. So that's another way of promoting your post. Whenever you post, you can simply click this arrow and add it to your own page story so people discover you more and people can see your post more and more. So that's how you're going to create posts.